Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a series of questions from Block 5 of NET03, that is your British novel, Middlemarch chapter. It was written by George Eliot, and we'll be doing all the previous year's questions which have come in your exam. We'll do all of them. So I will be uploading a series of shorts around whatever questions are there. We'll do all of them. Each short will consist of one question each. So let's get into it. First, let's know the characters of this. In Middlemarch, you have Dorothea. Dorothea Brooke is a girl who gets married to Casaubon, Casaubon, Casaubon. Okay, he's an older gentleman. She gets married to him thinking that he'll be giving him the freedom and the purpose in life which she desired. Casaubon has a cousin whose name is Will Ladislaw, who is closer to age with Dorothea, and later on Dorothea and Will fall in love with each other. Okay, there is another pair, that is Dr. Tetrius Lydgate, who gets married to Rosamond. Now, Tetrius and Rosamond are also incompatible in the sense that Rosamond is a spendthrift. She is very affluent and in her living style. And Tetrius is, even though he's a doctor, he's not that well to do. Now, Rosamond has a brother called Fred, and Fred gets married to Mary Gart. Okay? Mary Gart is the daughter of Reverend Camden, and Fred has a relative, long-lost relative, Mr. Federson, and Fred thinks that he can inherit Mr. Federson's money. But he doesn't know that Mr. Federson has a son, illegitimate son, named Joshua Rick Federson. Okay? And we have one more character, that is Bulstrode. And Bulstrode has a background which is a bit dicey, and he's being blackmailed by a character called Raffles. So these are the characters in short, okay? I'll not get into the story and the summary of it. Just let's get into the question. What are the main themes in Middlemarch? Discussed with reference to the characters in the novel. Middlemarch is a panoramic study of provincial English society. Through the lives of different characters, George Eliot explores the moral, social, intellectual, and emotional problems of 19th century life. The novel does not center on a single hero. Instead, its themes emerge through the interconnected lives of the inhabitants of Middlemarch. So what are the themes? The theme of vocation, then marriage and marital compatibility, money and material interest, social class and provincial society, politics and social reform, science and religion, egoism and moral growth. So let's get into the theme of vocation. One of the central themes is the search of the meaningful vocational purpose in life. Dorothea Brooke wishes to dedicate herself to noble and intellectual work. She marries Casaubon, believing that she can assist in his scholarly pursuits, but later discovers the emptiness of his ambition. Tetrius Lydgate dreams of reforming medical science and serving humanity. His ideals are crushed by social pressure, debt, and an unhappy marriage. Reverend Fairbrother represents sincere but struggling religious service. Through these characters, Eliot shows how society often frustrates human ideals. Marriage and marriage compatibility. Marriage is another major theme. Eliot studies how unsuitable marriages destroy personal happiness. Dorothea's marriage with Edward Casaubon is based on illusion rather than understanding. She expects spiritual companionship but finds emotional coldness. Lydgate's marriage with Rosamond Vincy becomes disastrous because Rosamond is materialistic and vain, while Lydgate is idealistic and serious. I felt that Rosamond was a baddie, and Doctor could not handle a baddie. Anyways, in contrast, the relationship between Mary Gart and Fred Vincy is healthier. It is based on mutual understanding and affection. Eliot suggests that marriage succeeds only when there is emotional and intellectual harmony. Then comes the money and material interest. Economic concerns strongly influence human behavior in the novel. Rosamond values luxury and social status, which leads Lydgate into debt. Nicholas Bulstrode uses wealth and religious respectability to hide his corrupt past. Fred Vincy suffers because of financial irresponsibility. Eliot shows that money shapes relationship, ambitions, and moral choices. Social class and provincial society. The novel examines the rigid class structure of English provincial society. Dorothea's relationship with Will Ladislaw faces opposition because of differences in social status and inheritance issues. The Gart family represents honest middle class values, while the aristocratic families emphasize status and propriety. Middlemarch society is conservative and resistant to change, limiting the freedom of individuals. Politics and social reform. The background of the Reform Bill of 1832 introduces the theme of political change. Characters like Mr. Brooke discuss parliamentary reform and modernization. The novel reflects a society moving from old traditions towards democratic change. Through politics, rumors in the background, it influences the atmosphere of transition in the novel. Then comes to science and religion. Eliot also explores the conflict between modern scientific thought and traditional beliefs. Lydgate represents scientific progress in modern medicine. Conservative doctors such as Dr. Sprague opposes his innovations. Religious hypocrisy is exposed through Bulstrode, while genuine morality is shown through characters like Dorothea and Mary Gart. Egoism and moral growth.